This is Elena, a network engineer. 4 hours into a P1, 6 dashboards, no clear answer. With OnStak AI Correlation Fabric, the chaos is tamed. Every investigation, ranked by impact, the critical one, already open. The root cause, already identified. The AI proposes it, the logs confirm it, one click runs the runbook. Every fix is saved to memory. Toggle every layer, drill into any port, and act right where you found it. Reset it. Done. One question replaces 6 dashboards. Every token accounted for. And the proof? Already on the way to leadership. OnStak AI Correlation Fabric. Start executing, stop experimenting.